Okay. Alright, the stream has started. So, hello, like for Schnitzel. Um, Today we'll starting to code a Hypixel Bedwars Datapack. So if you don't know what Hypixel is, it's not that bad that you don't know. It's just the biggest Minecraft server that exists. But well, yeah, it's Minecraft server. It has a lot of people in it, and it has a game mode that's called Bed Wars. And now I'm trying to recreate Bed Wars. Oh, lag. I'm trying to recreate Bed Wars one by one, so that it's exactly the same, just in vanilla Minecraft, so that you can download it yourself. I'm not going to be the only person that's working on it. A friend called Schnakos is also working on it, and they're coding custom TNT and fireballs at the moment. So now let's get started. So this is our map that we're going to play in, and yeah, nothing's built yet. So I suggest we start building now. So we teleport us to 0, 0, and now we can start building. So we're gonna need some planks. Now we can start building. Whoops. Alright. Now we start building. Let's start by making a map. Just a big square. Oh, and it's starting to build already. That's perfect. Alright, this is a secret technique that almost no one knows about. You just have to build this square here, and it automatically builds a random generated map here. You see, wow, that's really fast. That's awesome. Yeah, it automatically generates a map that's perfectly suitable for Bed Wars. That's cool. Hello, that one muffin too. Welcome to the stream. Oh, and it even has a lobby. That's cool. Alright, jokes aside, this is a Hypixel Bedwars map that I downloaded from the internet. Once this project is finished, I'm going to ask Hypixel for permissions to use this map just as a placeholder. But you'll be able to make your maps yourself. And if you're asking how this map was built so quickly, I mean, literally it took like 45 seconds. Schnakos and I have been coding functions that save the map, and a function that loads the map back in. That's very useful for a world guard that I coded yesterday, and I can show you this now. So desktop. Okay. So this is now my desktop. Hello, and I can show you the data pack now. So this is the data pack, and it doesn't have a lot of functions yet. Most of them are still empty. But there is one function that is here right now, and let's remove that tag really quick. And basically, we can copy that into the main function. It's just we're going to remove that later. But now, when I switch back to Minecraft and type /reload, alright, now we shouldn't be able to break blocks anymore. So if you break this, yeah, you see, we aren't able to break any blocks anymore. We can still place blocks and break the blocks placed, but we can't break any blocks here. Even in survival mode, game mode survival, we can't break blocks that we haven't placed ourselves. Just blocks that we placed, we can break them just fine. So this is gonna be the world guard that we're gonna be using, and yeah, in this stream I'd like to get started with the data pack so that we have a functioning game that we can use to add more stuff to later on. So now there is no way to start the game yet. There is nothing that happens when you start the game because you can't even do that. Nothing happens when you end the game, and I'd just like to do that today. Alright, let's remove the function again. Alright. Tag equals alive. Alright, now we can type /reload, and now we can break and place blocks again. Okay, so today, I'm gonna make a function called /function start, and let's desktop, okay. So it's gonna be this function right here. So what the function should do, it should spawn an area effect cloud that has the data in it that we'll use later on for a timer. It should also set all the game rules that are important for the game, like no trader spawning, so that there's not just a random trader that you can use mid-game. Yeah, and stuff like that. So I'd also like to make a lobby system so that you can build your own lobby, and then people will be able to join here and leave again, and after the timer ran out and there are more than 2 people in the lobby, the game will start and the people will get spread through the map. I think I should also make it so that people can choose their team that they want to be in. Are you making Bedwars 2.0? No, this is basically gonna be a recreation of Hypixel Bedwars, like, as closely as possible. Oh, and Schnakos just texted me that he will start with the TNT. Let's give him the data pack really quick. Okay. Alright, this may take a second because I have to give them the folder with the data pack. Alright. Okay, this is it. Okay, now I can open the desktop again. Now we can start. So I want the game to start when you type /function bw start. At the moment it does nothing. Wait a second, game rules. Right now it does nothing because there's not a single command in here. But let's just start. So open to land so that it doesn't pause. Yeah. Okay. So let's start with the game rules. So what are these game rules? So first we don't want mobs to spawn in the map. So let's disable this game rule really quick. Then /game rule mob grieving. I don't want that to happen, so let's disable that as well. Game rule disable raids true, because I don't want any raids to happen when the game is running, and there are villagers in the bases, so that would be very bad. I don't want the days and nights to cycle. I just want the time to be consistent throughout the game. Maybe we can add a randomizer that makes it day or night at the start of the game, but I don't think that we'll do that today. do entity drops. I think we can disable that as well, because when people use like mobs in their maps, I don't know that this will happen or not, but just to be sure. Do fire tick. Let's disable that, because the maps could be built out of wool and there's not really a reason for fire to spread in this minigame. Do immediate respawn. Yeah, I definitely want do immediate respawn to be set on true, because when you die, there's a countdown in Hypixel, 5 seconds I think, and after 5 seconds you can respawn, but in the 5 seconds you're dead, you're not really dead, you basically just respawn as a spectator for 5 seconds. So I want the player to automatically become a spectator, like in Hypixel, and so that they don't have to do that to yourself. Okay, keep inventory so the player keeps some stuff. Keep inventory so the player keeps some stuff. Doesn't drop it. Well, I'm not really sure about the keep inventory, because when you do / keep inventory, when you buy an axe later on, the stuff won't decrease and or doesn't drop it. Yeah. Okay, that's probably a good reason. Maybe you can do / clear when a player dies. I don't know. But yeah, let's game rule keep inventory false. Oh no, no, true. Alright, is it still on? Yeah, desktop. Okay, now / game rule to Insomnia. I don't know what that is. Do limited crafting. Ah man, I have to look that up really quick. Minecraft game rule do limited crafting. What does this do? Oh. Oh wait. Okay. So that in Bedrock Edition. No, Java Edition. Okay, do limited crafting. Whether players should be able to craft only those recipes they've unlocked first. Yeah, that would be cool, because I don't want people to craft anything. Yeah. Do limited crafting, true. I can just use a clock to disable these. Do limited crafting, true. And now, do mob loot. I don't want potential mobs that spawn to drop anything, so no, I don't want them to drop anything. / game rule do mob spawning. I already did that. Do patrol spawning? No. I don't want a raid or patrols to spawn anywhere near the map. Alright. Do tile drops? Yeah, definitely. I don't want blocks to be missing when you break them. Do trader spawning? Definitely not. I don't want a trader to just spawn in the map. Alright. Do weather cycle? No, I don't want it to start raining during the game. Alright, / game rule. Drowning damage. Yeah. You should still be drowning. You should still get fall damage. Fire damage too. Yeah, keep inventory. Yeah, you should keep the inventory. Log. And wait. A second, I have to switch that real quick. Okay, desktop again. Where was I? Log admin commands. No, max command, max energy cramming, mob breathing. Natural regeneration. I don't want natural regeneration to happen, and it has multiple reasons. First of all, Hypixel Bedwars doesn't have hunger, so we'll have to use the saturation effect all the time. And what happens in 1.9 plus, when you have saturation effects, you basically regenerate 2 hearts per second, basically. So I can just show you that. Game mode survival effect, give it as saturation. So when I take damage, look at the regeneration I have. Look how fast this regenerates, and this is always the case. So whenever you're in a fight, you basically can't die. So let's clear the effect again. Okay, so that's why we have to disable that. We can then later on replicate the natural regeneration of 1.8 in 1.16 with schedule and normal regeneration effects. But I don't know if we're going to do that today. So try this, give it p command block. Why? Why should I give myself a command block? Okay. So now, is there any more game rules that I have to choose? Random tick speed. Yeah, right. Random tick speed has to be set to 0, because when you place saplings or anything like that in the map, you don't want trees to grow, do you? You don't want trees to grow. Right. Is there any more game rules now? Reduce debug info. Send command feedback. Let's set that to false. That's just the game rules that will be set just at the spawn, at the start of the game. Now show death messages. Oh wait. Show death messages. No. As we're trying to replicate Hypixel as closely as possible, we'll have to make custom death messages later. Alright. Spawn radius should be 0, I think. I mean, when I set my spawn point here, and then I kill myself, I'll spawn at the exact same spot all the time, so I don't have to use this game rule. Okay, universal anger. Okay, advancements has to be disabled as well, because there are also achievements in Hypixel Bedwars, and I don't want everyone to see what achievements you've got. So that was all the achievements, all the game rules that will be set at the beginning of the game. Now we have to make it so that it's either noon or daytime when you start the game. So I don't know how to use loot tables to randomize stuff, so I think I'm just gonna use area effect clouds. No, whoops, that's the wrong function. Alright, so we're just gonna copy this command here real quick. Tags day random. Yeah, let's just call that day random. And just relative coordinates because it doesn't matter. Now, let's spawn 2 of them, and they both have 2 tags each. So night and day. So what we're going to be doing is we'll spawn 2 area effect clouds. Then it kills one of them by random, and then depending on which area effect clouds still live, it gives another result. So we're spawning these 2 in, and then we'll have to do /kill at e type equals area effect cloud, tag equals day random, limit equals 1. Yeah, that should be the command for that. Now it should kill one of them. Oh no, not yet. Sort equals random. Okay. Sort equals random. Now it'll kill a random one of these. So now we can just do another execute command. Execute as at e type equals area effect cloud, tag equals night, run time set. Now we have to set a time. Time set noon. Okay, no, that's not the right time. Okay, wait, that's actually... I think that's actually really good. Okay, no, let's make the chance that it's night smaller so that it's just 25%. Because I think most people would want to play in daytime. Okay, but maybe make a bit lighter. Time add -4s. No, wait. It can't be negative. Okay, wait. Okay, time set night. What time is it? Game rules, send command block, feedback true. Okay, it's 13,000, so let's set it to like 10,000? No. 12,000 maybe? No, that's not right. Maybe 12,500. Okay, yeah, 12,500 is good, I think, or... Yeah, okay, let's do this. So let's choose this time. Don't do night or people will be able to sleep in their beds. Oh, right. Okay, wait. When are you able to sleep in your bed? Okay, no. 12,000. Okay, no. 12,500. Okay, I guess 12,500 is good for that. Sadly, you're able to spawn your to set your spawn point, but I don't think you can prevent that from happening. I just think that I'll have to make like a 5-second clock that'll always set your spawn here. Okay, so now execute if entity at e type equals area effect cloud, tag equals night, run, then time set 12,500. That'll set the time to exactly this, so that it'll just be slightly different from the other times that it'll set there. And yeah, if you would bridge over here, yeah, I think you can see everything pretty well with this time. I think that's pretty good. And Now, let's copy this command here and just do it. If a day area effect clouds, if a day area effect cloud lives, so 75% of the time, it'll set the time to day. So let's try that, shall we? Oh no, it should kill 3 of them. Right. Okay, let's reload. Function bw start. Okay, now it's night. Now it's day. It's still day. Still day. Still day. Still day. Still day. Come on! Still day. Day. Okay, now it's night. So there's a 25% chance of it being night now. I think that's reasonable. Okay, now, we know who executes this start function, because the person who wants to do that has to type it themselves. So if I type function start and then say hi in the function, and I reload this, it'll be me who says hi, because the function will be executed as SilicatYT. So now that we know who executed this function, according to the wiki page, 12,541 is the beginning of when you can sleep. Alright, how often are you planning to do these streams? I don't know, because school will start in 2 days for me again, and I don't know how tough it will be. I'll just notify you when I'm gonna do this stream. Yeah. Alright. Let's reload again so that this won't happen anymore. Now it's night again. Night. Now it's not getting day. What? Come on. Okay, now it's day again. So now we have a pretty good randomizer that sets the daytime. Now, we want to give us a tag. So let's just tag it, or wait, how is the syntax? Tag it as add lobby. Okay, let's use this command. Now it'll add a tag to us called lobby, so that I can detect us. Right, and I think we'll have to reuse a good portion of this function in another function that'll be executed when you want to join another player's lobby, because we'll have to do the same thing again. So it'll add a tag to us called lobby, and then it should teleport us to an area effect cloud called lobby. But first, it should set us to game mode 2. So, game mode, or wait, how's the syntax again? Game mode adventure at S. Alright. Now it should clear my effects. So, effect clear at S. It should reset my experience. So, XP set at S. 0 levels and points. Alright. Yeah, and from this part on, we'll have to reuse this for another function called join lobby or something like that, because people want to join the lobby, come on. So they'll probably be able to right-click some piece of paper, like in Hypixel, and then the function will be executed. Yeah. Alright, so Now, it should clear us, so clear ADS, and if I'm low on health and saturation, I think I have to execute another command. So effect give ADS instant damage. Alright, so now effect give ADS instant health for 1 second, amplifier 255. Okay, no, that doesn't work. 25? Okay, yeah, that works. Alright, so that will reset your health. And now it should also give you saturation. Alright, now it resets your health and your saturation. But there's still a problem, because if you use slash attribute to give you unfair, well, bonus thingies. Yeah, I don't know how that's called in English. So if you use slash attribute, this isn't going to be reset as of now. So you basically could just use slash attribute before the game and then be invincible during the game. So we have to prevent this from happening. So has anyone posted it? Okay, I made it. I swear you need to buy an alt named SilicatYT. No! No, please not. Hello P10 Gaming. Okay, so now we have to reset all the attributes. So attribute at S, generic armor base set 0, then armor toughness set 0, because that's the normal stats, but if you want to cheat the system, that should not work. Okay, now attribute at S, generic attack damage base set 1, right? Attribute at S, generic attack damage get. Oh wait. Game rule. Set command repeat back true. Oh no, okay, wait, I have to kill myself. Now, yeah, okay, it's 1. Alright, so is there another attribute? Generic attack. Yeah, attack speed is it still. So the attack speed should be base set 999. Give it a diamond axe. Yeah, the attacks have to be instant, and don't worry about the attack damage of the weapons. We'll remove that later on, because of course you can't craft anything in Bed Wars, so we'll have to disable the crafting recipes with the game rule, and then everything you get will be bought from the villagers, so we can just add custom items there. So, and reset the axe damage to 1.9. I'm back. Hello, the Mad Mario. I'll force you to do that. No, I'm not going to create that alt. I'm not going to. Okay, is there another attribute? Generic? Okay, yeah, there is. Flying speed. I don't care about flying speed, but get. Okay, no, I don't have flying speed. Do I have follow range? No, I don't have follow range. Knockback resistance. I have 0. And I want everyone's knockback resistance to be 0 as well. I mean, if you wouldn't get knockback, I mean, that would be pretty unfair. Luck should be 0 as well. I don't know, maybe... I mean, there's no luck in this map, but maybe you have, like, loot tables, you want to make loot tables for your map. You can do that, because once it's finished, you'll be able to make your maps yourself. So, yeah. So, now... Yeah, max health, base set 20, so that you have 10 hearts at max. Movement speed. Okay, so attribute at S, generic movement speed, base set 0.1 0.00000000149011612. Alright. I think that's the good amount. Now attributed as generic max out movement speed. Yeah, okay, that was everything. So now we basically made it foolproof so that you can't cheat at all unless you actively cheat during the game. So you can't give you any items or effects before the game. So everyone will start with exactly the same. Okay, I think that's good now. So now let's put myself into creative mode here. And let's read some of the chat. How are you going to deal with 1.9 combat? Well, as I just showed, I'll have to disable the attack delay like right now, like I did just now. So that you won't have any delay, just like me right now. And I think I'll disable the when in main hand 9 attack damage text and replace it with custom text, because it's not the same as in 1.8, and I just want it to be the same, and attack speed isn't a thing in 1.8, so yeah, I'll have to remove that. To deal with the attack damage of the axes, I'll just have to make attribute modifiers for the items, because as I said, you can't craft your own items, so you have to use the shop. And you can put custom items in the shop, so every X that'll be in the shop will just be altered a bit. Maybe make it able to be toggled. Yeah, okay, that's a good idea too. We could make it toggle. You could toggle that. Okay, wait. It's okay, it's attack speed. Oh wait, I forgot, yeah, wait. I forgot to set the attack speed. Attributed as generic attack speed get, it's 4. Base set 4. So, let's say you'll have to... Okay, no, wait. Yeah, let's set it to 999. But, when the game starts, so after this function, after, the timer in the lobby ran out, the attack speed will be set based on the settings you'll have chosen by then. So in the lobby, everyone should have this attack speed, but then it's getting set once more for a final time in the lobby. And when someone dies, all of these things, or no, the attack speed will have to be given again. So I think we'll have to make another function called after death or something like that to prevent people from just losing all their stuff. Okay, wait a second. I have... I have to go for a second. Be right back. Alright, I'm back again. And let's activate the desktop again. So now we have to make it so that you actually get teleported into the lobby. And I won't use set coordinates for that because, as I said, you'll be able to make your own map and your own lobby as well. So I will make a spawn egg that spawns an area effect cloud in the lobby like this. Then you just get teleported to the area effect cloud wherever that is. And we'll just leave that cat here, by the way. Yeah. Oh, by the way, if you wondered what this is basically the cube that is checked for every tick for every player for the world guard. Because this cube is basically the area where you can possibly break blocks. As you see here, you can break the block here. You can break blocks up to this height right here. And we just have this cube that is checked for every single tick. And if this cube is different to the copy of this map, which is located here, this is an exact copy that we made using a function that we wrote. So if one block is different, then it's going to clone a part of this map over to the original map you'll be playing in. And the saving of the map will be made as follows. Like, we can make a function, so save map. And when we do this, it says the current map is being saved. This may take up to 1 minute. So it takes every single block from Y level 0 up to Y level 255 in a 300 block, in a 150 block radius. So basically, the entire area in this world border here. It copies everything to these coordinates here. And then when we're loading the map back in with the function load map, it's basically just copying everything back here. And that's how we set up this the world guard. So basically, it basically just uses 45 seconds of the waiting time of the lobby to just fix the map before every game. And now, you see the current map has successfully been saved. So every single block right here, except the entities of course, is exactly like this, in the exact same block state, just 1,000 blocks away, so that you can't access this. I think creative mode has more reach. Wait, really? I did not know that. Until I made a mistake of saving and I lost everything and the world just flat over. Okay, I don't really know the context. Welcome Duplicate Gaming. I don't really know the context, sorry. Matt Mario. Okay. So now we just teleport ourselves to the lobby, and we'll do that with following command. teleport ourselves to an area effect cloud. That has the tag cloud lobby. Yeah. Or wait, no. I guess marker lobby would be better. No, cloud lobby is better. So we teleport ourselves to this area effect cloud. And I just have to test this right now. If this would place me in the air or if it would clip me through. So let's just TP to this cat. Okay, no, it works perfectly fine. So yeah, when we spawn an area effect cloud right here, by using this command, cloud lobby, the duration should of course not be that low, but let's just make it 10 seconds. Alright, now this is the lobby, and when I type function bw start, I'll get teleported to this cloud. Perfect. And of course I'll be set to game mode 2, so I can't do anything. Alright, and the cloud is gonna disappear on its own, because I set the duration to I set the duration to about 10 seconds so that it should be gone now. Yeah, you see, I don't get teleported anymore. Alright. Oh yeah, what I wanted to say, teleported SilicatYT to cat. Well, okay, yeah. Hi stream, hello Mario shout YT. Alright, let me explain to you how I'm gonna do the chests. Because, let's just, give it as command block. Function bw world guard. Alright, now we can't break any blocks anymore. So imagine I'm Team Aqua right now. And I want to store some iron ingots in this chest. Wait, I can't even open the chest. Okay, that's weird. So it's... Oh no, no. No, okay, no, that's not right because this command did not check if a block is missing. It just automatically replaced the block, so it was the wrong command. I have to use this command right here. Give it as command block. Alright, this is the command. Right. What? Oh yeah. There is no tag alive as of now, so I'm just gonna replace that. Alright, now I can't break any blocks, not even the bed, but I can just do that by removing that from the copy, so it's not really that hard. But the chest, you can open and close it, but when I want to store some iron ingots, it just empties the chest and my iron ingots are gone. Because when I put something into the chest, it's basically a different block. It's not the same as the copy right here, because the copy of the chest is empty. So it empties this chest and leaves my items behind. So now Oh, that's just the TNT. So now what I'm gonna do is, we'll have to use a spawn egg, to spawn the chests. And the chests will not be saved with, the function I just showed you. So when I, just run the function save map, the chests will not be there. There will just be, an armor stand, or no, an area effect cloud that spawns a chest as soon as the game starts. Same with the bed. But what will be different with the chests is that the chest will still be cloned and copied, but not to minus 1,000 to the x to the c coordinates, but probably minus 1,000 to the x coordinates, because when we would copy this to minus 1,000 c, it would still be replaced every time we put something in it. But when we have, so it will still be detected by the world guard. But we'll have to do something different than the world guard. So we'll have to detect as the armor stand, hey, is there a chest inside of me right now? If not, copy the chest from the from positive from negative x to positive x. That means you'll be able to place blocks inside of here, but when you want to break it, the chest will still be here with all of your stuff. So that's basically our plans. This will also be having a resource pack, because yeah, this is the resource pack I prepared. Because let me show you something. Give it a snowball. So this is a snowball right here. You can throw it. It's called the usual stuff. And this is a fire charge. You can't right-click it to spawn a fireball in the air, as it does in Hypixel. Instead, you can right-click the ground and just ignite it to use it like a flint and steel. But we don't want to do that, because in Hypixel, right-clicking the ground with a fire charge would do nothing. But in vanilla Minecraft, it sets fire. So what can we do to both do the right-click detection and prevent people from just lighting everything up? It's simple. Don't use fire charges. Instead, we can use snowballs, like give it a snowball with a custom model data of 1. Then we get a snowball that is textured like a fire charge. With some commands, we can detect whenever you're throwing this, but not this. So we can basically differentiate between these two snowballs, not only by their textures, but also by their custom model data. So when you're throwing this snowball right here, it'll spawn a fire charge inside of you, and the snowball will then push the fire charge to the location. So if I do /summon fire ball, it's basically summoning this fireball, and then you can do that to wait a second to aim. So you're inside of it, and then you just right click, and then it'll go there. And as you just saw, it didn't break any of these blocks, but the fireballs in Hypixel, they break blocks like wool. And that's because we disabled mob grieving. So what can we do? So Schnakos is basically reworking the entire TNT and fireball thing, so that you can right-click this snowball to shoot a fireball, and to just place TNT, and it'll automatically ignite, and only break blocks that are placed by players. So it doesn't break any blocks that are protected by the world guard, but only blocks that are not protected by the world guard. And we're doing it exactly the same as in Hypixel. So if you use stained glass around your bed, for example, it doesn't break the stained glass, but it's not just as simple as that. Like when you use TNT right here and ignite that. Oh no, that's not a fire charge. If you ignite that, it will break the glass. But we don't only have to prevent the glass from breaking, we also have to prevent blocks inside the glass to break as well. So it's very complicated. And yesterday we've been, well, observing the properties of the glass and obsidian. And what we found out is that if you have obsidian like this and place yellow wool inside of here, for example, just you can use any block, and build this in, then you could use TNT. And although everything is built in, the TNT will still break blocks through these corners right here. So it thinks, oh, there is no obsidian. So you have to basically do blocks like this. Now it couldn't break the yellow wool because it's surrounded by a box. But if you have corners, it can go through these corners and break the wool inside, but the obsidian will stay intact like this. So what we found out is that obsidian and glass don't behave exactly the same way. Because while TNT goes through corners of the obsidian, it doesn't do that for glass. So if you have this, and then yellow wool inside of here, and then use TNT on it, the TNT can't detect these corners right here. So it just thinks, okay, there's just glass everywhere. So while obsidian wouldn't protect these wool blocks, glass does. So basically have to do this, replicate these, all of these facts that I just told you in vanilla Minecraft, and this is gonna take a while. Luckily Schnakos is already working on this stuff. You can still probably put iron in that chest by pressing 1. No, that's not gonna work because the chest is still gonna have their NBT data changed. Because this chest and this chest are not the same, because this has a block in it and this one doesn't. So it automatically detects that. Are you going to recreate every mode? No, I don't think so. We're just this is basically Ender Games 2.0. With experience we collected while coding Ender Games, we can make the same thing with Bedwars, but better. Maybe remove the throw sound for the snow fireball. Yeah, we're not entirely sure how we're going to handle this. Maybe we'll just gonna use /stop sound. I mean, that should work. Doesn't Hypixel give attack to the blocks placed by a player? Yeah, I think so. But it's basically impossible to do that efficiently in vanilla Minecraft. I mean, the block tags that are added to the blocks aren't stored inside of the server, but probably on an external website or something like that. But in vanilla Minecraft, you have to do everything on the server, so you can't store anything unless you can live with wasting resources and space. Okay, Schnakos just gave me a command that should ignite the TNT when it's placed. And he just asked me what I think is the problem. He probably knows, but I have to find it out myself. So it executes as the player who has a raycast score of less than 50, whatever that means, at S. And unless the block inside of the player is TNT, it ignites that. So you can't place. Oh wait, the raycast doesn't move. Oh. Wait, so isn't it just moving by 0.2 in your shouldn't that be a loop so that it moves until it hits the TNT? I don't really know. I'm not really experienced. Oh. I'm not really experienced. I'm not really experienced in raycasting. So I'm gonna look at this later, but I'm sure we can find a solution for this. Alright, so this is what we've written so far. Plus the world guard, of course, but we didn't do that today. We've had some help from the Minecraft Commands Discord server, but we've done mostly the things ourselves. Okay, what else belongs in the start function? So yeah, the start function should give the lobby cloud a tag so that the lobby knows that it's being used. So I think I have to do this. Tag at e equals type equals area effect cloud. What selector did I use there? Tag equals cloud lobby. And then add how should I call this tag? Occupied maybe. So now the cloud, so the lobby will know that the lobby is occupied, and then the tag is gonna be removed once 0 players are in the lobby. And as soon as there and as long as there is a cloud that has this tag, or as long as there is a game running, you won't be able to use function bw start. So we'll have to do that later on. We basically will have to chain this up to another function. So yeah, let's do that really quick. Let's copy the start function, call that start to, and let's do that, like execute unless entity, or wait, no, execute as at s at s unless entity at e type equals area effect cloud, tag equals cloud lobby, and then another unless entity at e equals at e type equals area effect cloud. Now tag equals, oh no, that's wrong. Cloud lobby, no, that has to be occupied. And now tag equals time running. So we'll use the time running tag in the future for basically the timer area effect cloud that basically keeps track of whether or not the game is running. So if there is no game running and there is no one in the lobby, it will run the start to function. So we can basically replace all of that with this long command right here. And now we basically can do something else. We basically can make a text message now to say, okay, no, there is a game running already. You can't start another game because this will be one game at the same time only, because that would just break all of our coding. So let's say execute as at s at s if entity at e tag equals occupied type equals area effect cloud run function run tell raw. Now we can use tell raw generator. Delete all. Tell raw at s. There. Okay. What do you want the tell raw to say? Hello bgamer. Hello Gabris. Hello. I don't know how to pronounce the name. Sass. Yeah, imagine dabbing in 2020. Wait, actually that's cuffing, but nobody likes to cuff. Oh yeah. SilicatYT is a cat, yes. Basically, not in real life, of course, but that's just another topic. That's what I want to say. Pog. Okay, so, we want different messages for whether or not, so for when there is a lobby, going already. So basically, there is a lobby. I mean, this doesn't have to be final. We can replace that message later on. There is an occupied lobby already. Please join that one. Yeah, as I said, this isn't final. I'll definitely change this message, but let's just use this as a placeholder. Alright, so it'll say that there's a lobby that's occupied already if there's an occupied lobby. And if there's a game running, it's just gonna say there's a game running already. Um, yeah, let's use this message then. So if I reload now, I mean, okay, let's use play sounds too. Play sound Minecraft W. Okay, what? No, come on, what? Ambient rent, no. They changed all the play sound commands in 1.9 and I don't remember what they're called. Collecting an XP orb. Entity XP, no. Player XP, no. Level up, no, that's not the one. I'll just go through all of them. Block, no, it's not a block. Entity. Now I have to watch everything carefully. Because I think there's another category. Yeah, experience or pick up. Yeah, so master at S. Yeah. Okay, that's the play sound I wanted. So yeah. I basically want this play sound and this text message here, but I don't want it to be a telraw. I just want it to play a sound. Now I can do /reload, function bw start. The first time, oh no, there is no, okay, there is no cloud yet. Okay, I have to open this one. Okay, now, yeah, cloud lobby. The duration should be like 1,000. Alright, now when I use function bw start, there is a lobby already. Wait, oh no, no. That's the wrong order because this function gives the cloud the tag. And after this function is played, it automatically checks for the tag. So I have to do these checks before I run the function. Alright, now I can reload. Kill at E tab equals area effect cloud. Let's try it again. Cloud lobby. Let's reload and let's execute the function bw start. Now we have our lobby. We are in the lobby. We got sent to the lobby. There's no text message yet, but we are now in the lobby. And while there is a lobby running, we can't do this again because it now says there is a lobby running already. So this is basically for making sure that there are never more than there are never two or more games running at the same time. Yeah, that's super cool. And once this cloud either dies, yeah, it's dead now, so we can use this function now because it only lasted for like 20 seconds or so. or no, 50 seconds, I think. Yeah, but now it's dead. But when you use the spawn egg, it'll be permanent, the cloud, and it will never die. It will only reset the tag, the occupied tag, when there are less than one players there, or when the game starts. Yeah. So I guess we have the rough part of the start function ready. We have now two start functions to prevent people from spamming the command, and so that only one lobby can be there at the same time. Alright, we can close that now. Oh my god, a wild... How was it named? I should catch it. Yeah, you should. Imagine Silly reading that above. I'm an exclusive dancing cat. What? Guys, no. Why? Why are you doing that to me? Hello hacker, please don't hack my stream, thank you. Okay, hello Mario Chat YouTube. Alright. Yeah, this is the start of, the data pack. It's really hard to see what should I do now. There's so much, stuff to do. I think we have now, done the start of the lobby. And I think we should focus on the lobby first. But I think I'm canceling the stream now because my throat is getting a bit dry. I have no water next to me, and I think I just have to go soon. So I thank you all for watching this stream, for participating. I think this has been a very fun stream and very productive as well. Thank you all for watching this. Have a good day. Goodbye.